But wherever you are, if it's in a chair, we talked about a minute ago, or standing, you want to start rolling your feet. Okay? You want to roll your feet to help your body do a natural position where your body's meant to do, and heel the toe to help your overall balance. If I'm pushing my feet down, there's no transition for your body to learn what's on the floor. If I go here and there's a little rock down here, I can adjust where my feet's going, my knee even too, to help my body not fall. So at home, wherever you're doing, is roll your foot, just one foot at a time, heel to toe, toe to heel, rock it back and forth. Okay? Again, we talked about on the floor how it helps overall position, wakes up the foot itself, your proprioceptors on your foot, also your ankle to help your overall body compensate if the ground isn't level or isn't what you think it is. Okay? Switch feet. I went from left to my right, roll that foot back and forth, rock it back and forth. Okay, maybe about 10 times. Once you've done that about 10 times, now you want to do is a little bit more difficult. I'll do it seated first, we'll do it standing in a second. Is now you want to do, start with your left foot on your toe, your right foot on your heel. Now roll back and forth with each foot. Yeah, Gloria's laughing for a reason. Takes a little coordination. Didn't want to say anything. I'm not going to ask you to like tap your head about your stomach. I can't do that. I can't do that at all. Alright, I want to make sure someone was humble enough to see it. When you can do that, and I do this every day, it takes practice. At that point, this is how we normally should walk. Okay? We don't think about it because we're just walking. It's unconscious. We train our body to walk in a better position, better gait, better motion. That's how we maintain our balance and our posture.